WSDOT is building a series of roundabouts at the intersection of SR9 and SR204 in Lake Stevens to help manage congestion, improve mobility, provide better access to area businesses, and provide travel options with improved connections for pedestrians, cyclists, transit users, and drivers. The two large roundabouts on SR9 are being built this summer. Here are some new ways you'll be able to move through the intersection once the new roundabouts are complete. The first roundabout built will be at SR9 and North Davies Road. Vernon Road on the west side of SR9 will now allow for two-way traffic and connect eastbound traffic on SR204 to northbound SR9, North Davies Road, and Vernon Road without having to use the SR9 and SR204 intersection. This also means that drivers coming from North Davies Road and Vernon Road have more direct access to SR9 and an alternate way of reaching SR204. The second roundabout will be at the SR9 and SR204 intersection and will provide direct access to SR9 and SR204 from Frontier Village. Drivers around Frontier Village will have multiple ways to reach SR9 and SR204. There will also be new paths and crosswalks to improve safety and mobility for people walking, bicycling, and using public transportation in the area. Visit wsdot.wa.gov and type SR9 SR204 in the search bar to learn more about the project.